Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are here in Westfield, New Jersey, just completing a new Serenity slider. We wanted to showcase this a little bit because the design itself is kind of like the same like the handicap access video one. I'm going to put a video right up here and click on that just so you can see the reference. So this is a custom Serenity slider in brushed nickel hardware. Here we have a single acting door in the center and two stationary panels on the side. So the door itself is center mounted. Use the stop up here at the top right hand corner to keep the door from sliding all the way to that wall. We could have it independent, meaning that it could slide both one way or another, but this wall has a slightly bad out of square condition that the stationary panel has accommodated for, but for me to do it on the door, it would just be a little complicated, and not to mention it would look funny on the closed position, because then this space here, or this overlap, would look different. So I wanted to keep this line of sight nice for picture perfect, look. That way I can post it on social media, and then not have you trolls, which are our fellow glass competitors, pointing fingers and like, oh, look at the out of square condition. So anyway, so we kept everything as symmetrical as possible. And again, it's a single acting door, so it collapses to the side of the wall where the controls are for the shower, and it stops right over here, right in the middle. The space in between is exactly the same. This is not technically an ADA compliant door because the space isn't necessarily over 36. Some townships have different widths that will make it fall into an ADA compliance. But this isn't ADA compliance in any way, especially since we have a raised curb. And I just wanted to showcase this. So we did this for WA Building Movers and Contractors of Westfield. I'll leave their information at the bottom of the description of the video. And if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.